Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've been growing this Top Gun mustache for a week or two, starting to come in pretty nicely, but I've had several comments that I should try to color the mustache, make it darker. So I thought, okay, why not? I'm up for anything. Let's give that a try. I went searching around for the best way to do it, and I found this in the drawer. It's a permanent Sharpie. Permanent with a really big head on there, not that little baby head that you usually see. So I thought this might work pretty good, right? So let's give it a go. Just right onto the hairs and we'll color it in and see how it turns out, right? Wait, is it April 1st? No, it's not April 1st, but we'll pretend that it is, because there's no way I'm doing that. I'm going to use something better that's specifically made to color your hair and mustache. It's called Simpler. That's what we're going to go with today. You can use this to do your whole head of hair, mustache, beard, whatever, but I'm just going to do the mustache today. So here's what it looks like now, and we'll see what it looks like 20 minutes from now. Everything that comes in the box is what you need, nothing else. Instructions, the colorant is in here. The base and colorant are both in here together. When you squeeze the button, they come out at the same time, and you apply it. There's a couple of various assortment of brushes here. 2 white ones, this little detail brush, which is pretty nice. As I said, the instructions, this is a reusable gloves, and there's also a stain guard, which is like a petroleum-based jelly that you can put around the areas that you don't want to color. So like if you're doing your whole head, you'll want to put that around your hairline, just so it doesn't get on your skin and color your skin. But for my mustache, I'm just going to fly by the seat of my pants there, you know, Top Gun style. And I'm going to use this brush and possibly this brush, and that's it. Not even going to use any gloves. I'm just going to, I don't know if you should shake this, maybe not. But the color I'm using is dark brown, it says so right there. And in the instructions, it will tell you how long to leave it in, based on the color. By the way, before you do any of this, you want to perform a sensitivity test. Make sure you're not allergic to the product. So as I said, you can apply the stain guard around the perimeter. Don't get it on the hair, because if you do, that area won't color. The colorant won't saturate the stain guard. Dispense it onto the brush. It says you could wear gloves, but we're not going to. And then apply it to the area, and then wipe and wait. Here it says 20 minutes on the clock. Let's find our color. Natural black, brown, black. Dark brown, we recommend a 20-minute leave-in time. You can adjust this to go lighter, less time, or darker, more time, as shown. So we're dark brown. We're going to go 20 minutes, but I don't even think I'll leave it in that long. I think maybe 10 or so. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to apply this right to the brush. Makes a little noise coming out. That's what it looks like. We'll apply that right to the mustache. Here's the grayest area right here, so I'll start on the outsides. Those seem to be the grayest. That way, that will penetrate sooner. And we'll see how that works out. A little bit more for the other side. Yeah, it seemed like it was bunched up a little bit in the nozzle, and that's why this darker part came out first. Didn't mix thoroughly, but should be okay anyway. A little bit more. Just apply it, all the areas that you want to color. Don't get it up your nose. Be careful of that. It actually looks a little bit reddish right now, but I'm sure it will turn darker. All right, that's enough. I think I can stop now. Set that brush off to the side. I'm just going to grab a tissue and just wipe this area. Being careful not to wipe off the hair. There we go. This way the skin won't stain. Let's go set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
All right, we'll come back in 12 minutes and we will see how it looks. Here's how it looks after like 2 minutes. It's already darker. Let's see if it keeps that, if it stays that way. This brush seems to work fine for me. If you had some really thin hairlines, you may want to go with this detailing brush, but this white one seems to be fine for my thicker mustache area. No problem. So go ahead and take on a project that you can complete in 12 minutes, and I'll meet you right back here. Spend part of the time rinsing off the brush. You could use one brush to thoroughly clean out the other one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, time's up. We'll stop that. Okay, you can see 12 minutes. It looks pretty dark to me. Probably looks darker than I would want it, but I'm thinking that maybe when I rinse it out, it might lighten up a bit. So I will rinse it. It says after you leave it in for the allotted time, rinse hair thoroughly with warm water until the water runs clear. Keep dye away from your eyes. Shampoo and condition. Dry and style as usual. So that works for hair or beard. So we're gonna rinse it. We're gonna put a little shampoo in there. See what it looks like. Okay, you ready? Let's see what it looks like. Rinsed and shampooed. Here we go. It actually did lighten up a little bit, so it matches my regular hair color pretty well, I think. What do you think? I like it. I think it looks pretty good. The old Top Gun goose rooster mustache come to life. Now it matches my other hair a little bit more appropriately. All right, so that product worked pretty well. Simpler. I'm very happy with it. Maybe next time I'll try it on my hair and see how that works out. Give it a little brushing. I could trim it up a little bit now that I can see it better. It's more defined, more of a contrast between the hair and my skin. So just apply, let it sit for the allotted time, rinse, shampoo, you're good to go. You look 10 years younger, just like that. Nothing to it. And it's way better than using this, I think. Another good thing about it is that you can get several uses out of this. Some of the other products, you have to wear your gloves, mix them together, use whatever's in the container. What you don't use, you throw away because you can't reuse it. I guess it spoils, it won't last a long time. But this is safe in the can and it's contained in here and it won't spoil, so you get long life out of this. It says that if you have normal hair, you can probably get 4 uses out of this jar right here. So that's pretty good. All right, if you want to pick one of these up, just click the link below the video. You can grab it right there. If you want to pick up any shaving supplies, just go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my 460 shaving and more videos with your friends. Share the love, wet shaving, hair coloring, mustache, beard coloring, all that good stuff. Things that some guys do and some guys don't. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.